next chapter is equations. Now, equations are the basic thing in any mathematical calculations. In equations, as we know, we have two sides. For example, if I am having ax plus b is equal to 0, now this side is known as the RHS or the right hand side. This side is known as the LHS, known as the left hand side. In the center we have an equality sign. This is known as the coefficient. This is known as the unknown or the variable, and this b is known as the constant. So whenever we are solving equations, we always see that the variable is kept generally on the left side. This is the variable. All other things are transposed to the right side. Remember, I have already taught you the basic rules of transposition. Means for transposing, what we do the operations just the opposite. Whatever is plus will become minus, whatever is minus will become plus, whatever is being multiplied will be divided, whatever is being divided will be multiplied. Using these basic rules of transposing, we will try to solve some equations. So these are the examples which I will be solving. Remember, there can be thousands of equations, but I try to show you the different types of equations which are equal, very important to us. So I am taking the first one as 5x upon 3 plus 2 is equal to x plus 4. So how to solve this? We will try to bring the variables. So I will first bring this like this is 5x upon 3 minus x is equal to 4 minus 2. I transpose this 2 here, plus 2 become minus 2, x becomes x. Then I have to solve this. Remember, x means x upon 1. So we have to cross multiply. This becomes 5x minus 3x upon 3 is equal to 4 minus 2 means 2. Now we have to cross multiply. So this becomes 5x minus 3x means it is 2x, and 2 3s is 6. Finally x is equal to 6 upon 2 means 3. So this is our final answer. So this was the first step. Remember, I am using all the rules of transposing in a correct sequence so that we ultimately get the value of the variable. Now your second example here is 3y plus 5 upon 4 is equal to 2. This is a fairly simple one than the first one. You cross multiply 4 into 2. So this becomes 3y plus 5 is equal to 8. Then you transpose this here. This becomes 3y is equal to 8 minus 5. 3y is equal to 3. That means y is equal to 1. I am to use step by step because as you go forward in 9th and 10th standard, you will be facing with many such situations where I have seen some of the students get confused, they get stuck up where to do and what to do. So this is how we can do it. Next is like this, 2y upon 3 minus 8 is equal to 2 minus y. Here first I will try to bring the variables together. This will be 2y upon 3 plus y is equal to 2 plus 8. This minus 8 will go here, minus y will come here, it becomes now. Again you cross multiply, this will be 2y plus 3y upon 3 is equal to 8 plus 2, it's 10. Now again cross multiply, this will become 2y plus 3y is equal to 30. 2y plus 3y means 5y is equal to 30. So y is equal to 6. So one more example we will take, that is 4x minus 3 upon 7x plus 4 is equal to 2 upon 3. Now whenever you are having such situations, you first cross multiply, means this 3 will be multiplied with 4x minus 3, whereas 2 will be multiplied with 7x plus 4. So we multiply this to this, this to this, this to this and this to this. So this becomes 12x minus 9 is equal to 14x plus 8. Now since this is the bigger variable, you always bring the smaller to the bigger one, and this so this becomes 8 minus 8 minus 9 is equal to 14x minus 12x. This is minus 17 is equal to 2x, hence x is equal to minus 17 upon 2. So this is how we will be doing the fourth. So one more sum we can do here. It is 5 upon x plus 2 minus 3 upon x minus 2 is equal to 2 upon x. Now remember, the denominators are different, so we cross multiply here. So this becomes 5 into x minus 2 minus 3 into x plus 2, and what is the LCM? LCM is nothing but the product of the denominators, means x plus 2 x minus 2 is equal to 2 upon x. Now when we do this, 5x minus 10 minus 3x minus 6, remember this is your algebraic expression or identity. A plus b, a minus b means this becomes x square minus 4. A plus b, a minus b means a square minus b square. So this becomes 2 upon x. Now 5x minus 3x means 2x, minus 10 minus 6 means minus 16 upon x square minus 4 is equal to 2 upon x. Once again we cross multiply, so this will become 2x square minus 16x is equal to 2x square minus 8. Now kindly remember, there is a 2x square here, there is a 2x square here. These both can directly be cancelled. Minus 16x is equal to minus 8. So x is equal to 8 upon 16 means 1 upon 2. So always remember, finding the LCM, cross multiplication, transposing in the right way, all these will give you the answers correctly and easily. We will do one more sum like this. So this is the sixth sum. It is 2x plus 3 upon 3x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 3 upon 3x minus 2. Now first thing is you have to cross multiply. So this becomes 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 3 into 3x plus 4. Now remember, this is binomial by binomial multiplication. 2x into 3x means 6x square. 2x into minus 2 means minus 4x. 3 into 3x means 9x. 3 into minus 2 means minus 6 is equal to 2x into 3x again is 6x square. 2x into plus 4 means 8x. Minus 3 into this is minus 9x. Minus 3 into 4 means it is minus 12. So what are the things we get cancelled out? 6x and 6x square get cancelled out. Minus 4 plus 9 means 5x minus 6 is equal to 8 minus 9 means minus 6 minus 12. Bring this minus 6 here, this becomes 5x plus 6. Bring this minus 6, 12, this will be minus 12 plus 6. So this is 6x is equal to minus 6, x is equal to minus 1. Kindly remember, please do not miss any step, because in any examination, the examiner always sees the steps which you are doing. Even though your answer may be correct, but if you are skipping some steps, remember you are bound to lose marks. So please do not do like that. I will do one more sum. It is 6 into 2x minus 1 minus 5 into x minus 3 is equal to 2 into x plus 2. So we will start with this into this. It is 12x. 6 into minus 1 means minus 6, minus 5 into x means minus 5x, minus 5 into minus 3 means plus 15 is equal to 2x plus 4. Now 12x minus 5x means 7x, minus 6 plus 15 means plus 9 is equal to 2x plus 4. We will take 2x this side, we will take 9 that side. So 7x minus 2x is equal to 9 minus 4. 5x is equal to, this is minus 9 plus 4. So this is minus 5. Therefore x is equal to minus 1. I think we have done most of the sums. Kindly remember the rules of transposing, cross multiplication, LCM, and in some cases algebraic identities like a square minus b square. Thank you.